Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to share with you how you can connect your Dell monitor to your PC. So I don't know what kind of Dell monitor you have, and if you want to connect what kind of cable you have. So maybe you have this cable that is going to be like a USB-C, or you have like this display port, so you need to look something like this, or you have HDMI, so it's going to look like this, or you have DVI, VGA, or component video. So first locate like what kind of cable you have. Now the first thing that you need to do is that you need to power the power cable monitor to project to wall outlet. So add it to wall outlet, and when you're going to add it to wall outlet, then you need to connect the cable first to your monitor. So you're gonna have like Dell HDMI. Monitor. So for example, here I'm going to show you on this picture. So do you see there is like HDMI from the bottom, but again, it's important because I don't know if you have HDMI, but here you see HDMI. Do you see that? So now when you're gonna have the HDMI, or you're gonna have even like this DP display port, you're going to take and connect it to the HDMI, and then you're going to connect it to your PC like you see here on the screen. So you're going to connect it to HDMI, and then HDMI port PC, and here you're going to find. Now if you have a graphics card, you want to put it here to graphics card, but if so, for example, look here, this is the graphics card and this is the normal motherboard. So if you're going to see it on graphics card, add it there, and this is how you're going to do it. Super simple.